Good day everyone, I've got this barn door repair job here. So the repair job for this barn door is actually right down here. So somebody accidentally opened it. Instead of trying to open it this way, they pushed on it from the inside, and guess what? It caused that little catcher down there. I don't know what you call that piece, but that needs to be replaced. It's this piece right here. The thing that keeps it on the track down below. So you can see this thing slides out now. See that that's busted off? So I'm gonna go ahead and replace that. That way I can ride right in this groove, but there's a little trick to it. See, when you open it all the way up, it never exposes it for the screws. What you need to do is come all the way up here, all the way up top here. And what we're gonna do is take this, because this is what's causing it to stop. We're gonna move this. I'm gonna put a little mark here because I want it in the exact same spot. But then we're gonna move it back here to kick it off this way a little bit. That way it will expose that piece down below. That's the replacement part right there. Closer look at it. I'm just taking my pencil and making a little mark right here so I can put it right back in the same spot when I'm done. There's two Allen screws underneath there. I can slide it back this way. There's my marks. I'm gonna slide it all the way back. That way I got room. Let me show you. That way now when I open this thing up, there's nothing stopping it, and it'll go past that stop there. Yeah. There we go. Okay, the next thing we need to remove, so we've got this thing slid down there. We need to remove this because what's happening is this thing is catching. I don't know if you can see it. It's operating like it should, but this little mechanism underneath there, this thing is made to stop. It's a stop. See, it won't go any farther. What we're trying to do is clear room down there so we can get it over this way some. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. That way, it's got nothing to stop on. It can come all the way over. Essentially just go all the way off the track. We don't want it to do that. Just trying to clear some room, but I'm gonna go ahead and remove these. Well, the roof is so close, I couldn't use my cordless drill. So I've got this Phillips screwdriver up here, but I don't have much room. So I'm just gonna try to put these back in the same spot that I'm taking it out from, but go ahead and remove this all the way. Yeah, we'll take and set those aside. Now you can see up there, there's nothing stopping this thing, so we're just gonna kind of back it off. Now I've got access to the block that I need there. Go ahead and loosen these babies up. I'm just kind of taking and cleaning those out. They're dirty and dusty in there, so I'm gonna clean these out so I can get a bit in there. Well, whoever put this in, put in two different size screws there, the hex heads or whatever you want to call those type of screws. Anyway, I found the bits for each of them. I'm gonna go ahead and remove those. Okay, now go ahead and tighten up that back one. Okay, now that we got that thing lined up and installed, it's time to put this stuff back up where we had it. Got that piece put back on. Now it's time to slide this back into place here. Got my marks there, make it easier. And got that piece put back into place too. Right, we now have a smooth open and close without it pulling out this way.